rotate before recording. Alright. So, wait, let me get a shot of this. It's still snowing. It's been snowing for like, what time is it? 12? At least 12 hours now. That big pile you see there, that's about 5 feet of snow. Don't throw my cat out there. No, Jose, stop it!
I'm trying to put it down.
Okay, so yeah, that's like 5 feet of snow right there. Jose's gonna, oh, it's blizzarding so hard. Hope school's canceled tomorrow. Alright. Jose's going out there. Oh yeah, we have this big pile of snow outside our patio door. Alright, go out. You're dragging snow in here.
I'm trying to clear it so it doesn't drag in here more.
I'm gonna have to edit this video of all this gay shit. Gonzo, you ready to go outside? Gonzo. Alright, Gonzo, go outside.
Come here, puppy. Come here.
He's like, go. Go.
Yeah, boy. Come on.
Oh. 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 Wait, get out of the way so Oh. Poor Gonzo, he can't walk.
Oh, shit. Come on, let's go.
He can't move, Jose. He's just trying to... Go into that big pile in the back. No, don't put him in there. I don't want him to suffocate. Ah. Go in that big pile. Oh my god, your pants are going to be soaked. Alright, just lay in it. Just... Oh wow, it's so thick it barely collapses.
The fuck is this, Antarctica and shit? Like,
I know, we had like an inch, half an inch of snow on the ground before today.
I couldn't even walk across it. Look at this shit.
If I like snow, I'd be out there.
It's in my boot. It's in my boot.
You
It's
puss.
in my boot.
Monkey, you want to go out there? Ah. Look at you're all covered in snow. Was that fun?
Yeah, I just don't like all this snow being in here.
Ah.
In my shoe.